me to record. So it's now recording. Can you see the color red? It's recording. Okay, let me share to you my screen. So let me see. This is a checking of attendance. Who is here? Some cameras are off, but never mind. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for listening or being with me all the time. Since we are now in the 6th week of our class, right? So we are now in 6th week. So for today's lesson, we will be learning about adding numbers mentally. Okay, that's my name, Teacher Gwapo. If you want to search in YouTube, you can type this name in YouTube, Teacher Gwapo. Okay. So for today's lesson is we are still here in chapter 2, which is about addition and subtraction within 100,000. Okay, we are still here in chapter 2 and we are still learning numbers up to 100,000. So last time I flex here on the screen the objectives that we have, and we are done already with this to add numbers within 100,000. That's with renaming and without renaming, and then we subtract one number from another number up to 100,000 with and without renaming. And for today, we will try to add two numbers up to 100,000 mentally. No pencil we will be using. So we will just use our mind, because not all the time we have our pencil with me or with us or with you, and sometimes we don't have a paper, so we will try to use our mind only to add numbers without using a pencil. Okay, so adding, we call it adding two numbers up to 100,000 mentally. How to add numbers using our mind only? Let's say, for example, 34,123 plus 53,314. So we will try to add that numbers later, okay, by using our mind only. So in adding numbers, we have called steps in adding numbers, right? So we have here adding multiples of 1,000. So when adding two numbers mentally, okay, when we add numbers mentally, we add the digits from the left to the right. So we will start from the left, turn to the right, okay, from left to the right. That's how to add multiple numbers up to 100,000 when we add mentally, okay. Now here, let's say, for example, we will add 35,000 plus 55, okay? 35,000 plus 55. So a while ago, I told you that when we add numbers, we will add numbers from the left. So if we will look at this screen, so the left side here is number 3 and number 5, not start from 0. So start from here. We say 10,000 place, okay? From 10,000 place. And here also from 10,000 place. Okay, and then we will write here. So it's just like we are adding only two-digit numbers in here. So 35 plus 55, okay? So 35 plus 55, we can say it here that 35 plus 55 is equals to 90. So if we will add the remaining 3 zeros here and the remaining 3 zeros over here, we will just add here. So therefore, 35 plus 55 is equals to 90. So 35,000 plus 55,000 is equals to 90,000. So adding numbers mentally. Start from the left to the right. Now let's continue. Here are the steps in adding numbers up to 100,000 mentally. Now, steps in adding numbers. Step number 1, add the digits in the 10,000s place. Okay, if the number is up to 10,000s place. If the number is up to thousands place, so we will start from thousands place. If the number is starts from up to 3-digit numbers, so we say it up to hundreds place. Okay, so from the left. So I'm telling you here because we are adding numbers up to 100,000. So it's, as you can see here, it's up to 10,000s place. Okay. Step number 2, add the digits in the thousands place. After 10,000s place, we will proceed to thousands place. And then step number 3, in hundreds place, step number 4 in tens place, and step number 5 in ones place. Now here we go. Let's say for example, we will add this number 42,452 plus 14,231. Okay, so adding by splitting the second number. What is the second number here? Let's go back. The second number here, okay, we will add by splitting. So the first number here is 42,452. This is the first number. And the second number, we call it second number, is the 14,231. Now we will split, okay? So 42,452 plus 14,231. So this is the first number and this is the second number. Okay, so this is called the second number. I encircled it one. So when two 5-digit numbers are added, both numbers are 5 digits. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-digit numbers. So when two 5-digit numbers are added, keep the first number, okay, this is the first number, keep the first number as it is in your mind. So we will put it in our mind, okay, and split the second number in your mind. And the second number we will split. It's just like, have you remember when we learned about expanded form? When we expand number or place value, when we expand number like 14,231, when we expand this one, we expand this 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 30 and plus 1. So that's how to expand number, like 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 1. So that's called splitting the second number. Only the second number, this one, okay? Then we will add one by one from left to the right. Okay, from left. So we will add the first step I said a while ago, that we will add in 10,000s place. Okay, and then we will proceed to the hundreds place or thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Now here we go. Let's say for example. Okay, so add a digit in the 10,000s place. Now here, I just put it here 1, but supposedly this number is step number 1 to 5. So let's say we'll start only in step number 1, okay? So never mind the step number 2, and later on we will just place it here. So this is the first number. So the first number and the second number. Now here you can see it here that the second number I splitted it here. So that is 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 and plus 1. So that's how to split numbers. So this is the 42,452, and then the 10,000 is here, and then the 4,000 is here, and then 200 plus 30 plus 1. So always put in our mind, the first number is in our mind, and the second number is still here in our mind, but we split, okay, by place value. We expand. So now here, you can see it here that the 42,000 become 52,000. Why? Because we add the 10,000s place. So 42,000 plus 10,000 become 52,000, right? So 42,000 plus 10,000 is equals 42 plus 10 is equals to 52. So that's it, how to add in our mind. And then we will just put the remaining numbers, 4,000, and then the 200, and then the 30, and the number 1. Okay, so that's it. After we add the 10,000s place, we will proceed into the thousands place. Finished already in 10,000, so we are here in the thousands place. So as you can see here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the thousands place here is the number 6. Become 6. Why is it 6? Because in 52,000, the thousands place here is number 2. So this 2,000 plus 4,000, you can see it here that become 56,000. So 52,000, 2,000 plus 4,000 become 6,000. So become 56,000. Okay, you got it? Again, 52,000. Why is it 6? Because 2,000 plus 4,000 is equals to 2,000. Okay, so we will just continue. We write about 200 in here. We will write the 30 and then we will write the number 1. So we are done already in 10,000s place. And then we are here, we are done also in thousands place. Now we are here in hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place. So now here, as you can see here, the numbers changes. A while ago become 42,452, and then 52,452, and the 2 become 6. Why? Because 2 plus 4, 2,000 plus 4,000 become 6,000. So we have 56,000 here. 56,000 the same. And the 4 here become 6. Why? Because 4,000 plus 400 plus 200 becomes 600. So we have here 56,652. And then here continue plus 30 plus 1. And let's continue here. So 56,000 plus 30. We are adding now the tens place. So 50 plus 30. This one is 50 plus 30. So 50 plus 30 is equals to 30, become 80. So 50 plus 30 become 80. So we have here 56,682. So now we will add the ones place. Ones place here is 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1. So we have here 56,683. It's very easy, right? Again, we will start from 10,000s place, and then in thousands place, and hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So therefore, okay, therefore, if we will add here the 42,452 plus 14,231 is equals to 56,683. Now, I want you to get your book, okay? I want you to get your book. Okay, now open your book on page 23. On page 23, you can see it there. Add mentally and fill in the blanks, okay? Here, so 5 plus 2 is 7. 50 plus 2 is 70. 500 plus 200 is 700. 5 plus 2 is 5,000 plus 2,000 is 7,000. 50,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 70,000. Now in letter A, okay? In letter A in your book. Now here, 7,000 plus 7, 7 plus 7. So just write it here. 7 plus 7 is 14. So just write here number 14. And then 77 plus 70, then write it here. Okay, everybody? Now I'll just give you maybe 5 minutes to do it, and then we will answer it together later. Okay, everybody, pencil is up. Ready, go. 5 minutes starts now. 77 plus 70. What's the answer?
147, teacher.
147. Very good. Next. 770 plus 700. 1,470. Next. Next. 7,700 plus 7,000.
14,700.
14,700. 77,000 plus 70. 147,000. Now, as you can see here, 14 and then 14 with 7, so 147. So 147,000, 147,000, 147,000, right? Now here, letter B, it's 8. Next is 80. 300 plus 500. So 3 plus 5 is 800. 800. Next. Next. 8,000. 30,000 plus 50,000.
80,000.
80,000. Okay. Now letter C. Letter C. How about in letter C?
7.
Huh?
7.
7. Next.
41.
41. Next. 711. Next. 5,111. Next. 51,111. So you can see here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. Letter D. 6 plus 3 is 9. 20 plus 33? 53. 500 plus 333? 833. 5,000 and
9,300.
very good. And the next number is 93,333. So you can see it here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Right? Now next. Letter E. 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. So the answer here is 99. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 999. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9,999. 5 plus 4, 99,999. So here, you can see it here, 5 in 10,000's place. 5 plus 4 is 9. So the rest, 9,999. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So add, start from the left. Letter F. Letter F. How about letter F? Letter F. It is 9.
79.
Next.
79.
79. Next. 799. Next. Very good. Very good. Very good. So the next number here is 8,999 and 89,999. Pencils up. Everybody, pencils up. Okay. Pencils up. So we are now in number 3. Number 3, add mentally and fill in the blanks. Now, number 3, letter A.
Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher,
Number
I'm
3, letter
finished.
A.
Teacher, I'm
Ready?
finished.
Letter
Teacher,
A. What's the
I'm
answer? Letter
finished.
A. What's the answer? Letter A. What's the answer? Letter A.
Oh, this is I didn't finish.
Start from the left. So 50, 1,000, 60, 69, 51,069. Why there's no 100 in here? So because we cannot write here any number in here because we can see here any hundreds place. Okay, so 50,000, 100, 1,000, 51,069. There's no hundreds place in here. There's no hundreds. Okay, so we write here 51,069. Now letter B. Letter B. 6,621. Okay, 21. 6,621. Letter C. Letter C. 15,000 plus 6,000 plus 20. What do you think is the answer here in letter C? Huh? What do you think is the answer?
15,000.
15,000, are you sure?
No.
Look at the place value. Look at the place value. If you look at the place value here, 15,000 plus 6,000. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6.
11, 12,
Huh?
21,000.
Because if we will add the thousands place, 5 and 6 is equals to 11. So we write 1 in here. So become 21,020. Okay, 21,020. Letter D. Letter D, the number here is mix. 20,000 plus 5 plus 70 plus 500. What do you think is the answer here in letter D? Letter D.
20,575.
Okay, 20,575. Very good. Now, number 4. Number 4. Page 27. Page 27. Page 27. Letter A. Number 4. Page 27. Number 4. This is the last question. Last question. Number 4. Number 4. Okay, ready? Letter A. What's the answer, letter A? 45,634 plus 8,432. What's the answer here? What's the answer? What's the answer? Anyone? Anyone from the class? The answer starts with the first digit is number 5.
50,000. 66. 50,066.
Are you sure? Look at the thousands place. Thousands place. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. And here, hundreds place. The answer here is 54,066. 54,066. Letter A. Letter B. Letter B. Letter B is easy. Letter B is easy. Only letter A is quite hard. Letter B. Add the thousands place.
62.
60.
62,000.
Very good. 62,964. Very good. Very good. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Look at the thousands place.
47.
Very good. 47,594. Why is it 9? Why is it 9? Because 5 plus 9 is 14. So we add 1 in here. So 6 plus 2 is 9. So we have here 94. Letter D. Letter D. Thousands place. Add the thousands place. 6 and 2.
38.
30. Very good. 38,000. 708. Very good.
708.
Good job. Good job. Letter E. Letter E. Thousands place. Thousands place. 1,000 plus 3,000.
44,000
Very good.
and 400.
90.
44,493.
Very good. 44,493. 93. Letter F. The same thing. Add the thousands place. 1,000 plus 5,000.
36,666.
36,000.
And
Are you
6
sure?
and 6 and 6
4 and 6. 4 and 6.
34,406.
34,000. Are you sure? 36,000 and 600 and 6, because 6 plus 4, 6 tenths plus 4 tenths is equals to 100, right? So we'll write hundreds here, 100 in hundreds place, then 0 in tens place. So we have here 606. So 36,606. Now the last question, letter G. Last question.
46,799.
Very good. Okay, so thousands place, 4,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 6,000, so 46,000. 1 plus 6 is 7, so 46,700. 3 plus 6 is 9, so 46,799. Thank you so much. Very good. So on Thursday, we will be learning about subtracting numbers. Okay, subtracting numbers, or subtract mentally by splitting the second number. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy here. Say goodbye. See you on Thursday. See you.
Bye.
See you on Thursday. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye everybody.
มันมีอันนี้ขึ้นมาด้วยอ่ะ
Bye bye Katang.
เสียงสูง
Bye bye. Nicha, goodbye. Namcha. Goodbye everybody. Goodbye everybody. Nawa, goodbye. Piper, goodbye.
อัสซาบาบี